So here is how to create AI video free in mobile. First of all, go to invideo.io, and as you can see, we're already here. Tap on the menu on the top right corner and then select Pricing. And here on the pricing section, you will get to see different plans that you can choose from. First we have Plus, and then we have Max. And lastly, we have Generative. So you can go through the pricing plans and choose whichever that you want. But if you want to use InVideo AI for free, just go ahead and click on my link down in the description. So on the website, you can select between Get iOS app or Try on Web. We will go ahead and select Try on Web. After that, you can join using your Google or Apple ID. So I will select Join with Google. Then select your Google account that you want to use. After that, just tap on Continue. Then just wait for InVideo to load up your new account. This will take a few moments. So once it loads up, you will need to put your name and your workspace name, then tap on Continue. After that, select How did you discover InVideo AI? You can select whichever source that applies. Then, on this section, choose How do you want to use InVideo AI? And there are multiple options you can choose from. Select it and then tap Continue. Then, on the next section, you will need to put in your date of birth. So I'll go ahead and insert the details. And once you're done, just tap on Continue. Now, just give it a few seconds for it to load up. And as you can see, we're now in our InVideo account. So once you're logged in, you will get to see an interface like this. And right in front, you can see a section where you can type in your prompt. So let's go ahead and type in a prompt. So I will go ahead and type in a prompt that says create a haunted animation for your Facebook page. So let's go ahead and type in our prompt. You can go ahead and be creative, then type in whatever prompt that you want. And you can also try out unique and different prompts. So once you're done typing in your prompt, just tap on this blue arrow. Then, as you can see, it says creating. And InVideo will start generating your video. And as you can see here, it's now preparing. So here on the next section, you will get to see options like duration, audience, platform. So go ahead and set all the details. As for the duration, I will select 1 minute for this video. After that, on the audience section, I will select horror fans. Now, on the platform section, you can select between YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. I will select Facebook. Then select between stock media or generative media. Once you're done, just tap on Continue and InVideo will start generating your video. And as you can see, it says waiting. And on the top, it says this might take a few minutes. So you need to be patient and wait for it to get done. And as you can see, it now says planning music. And after that, it shows finding voices. And once it's done with the voices, it will say found music and voices. So you will get to see updates right here on what's happening in the background. And it can be pretty slow depending on the server pressure. And as you can see, so far, it's only sitting at 15% right now. If you don't want to sit here and wait, you can tap on the Notify When Ready button and you will be notified through email once your video generation is complete. And that way, you won't have to wait around throughout the entire process. And if you have the app downloaded, you will get the notification on your app. So while InVideo generates your video, you can go ahead and do other stuff without worrying about the video, and it will keep doing its work in the background. And as you can see here, it's now planning the script and generating the script. So for now, I will just wait here for it to get done. And by the way, if you want fast processing and fast generation, you can always subscribe for the premium packages. That way, you will get additional benefits like fast generation, and you won't have to wait in line in the crowded server. So if you're working on bulk projects, it's better to get the subscription in order to decrease the generation time. But we're using this free version because we will be working on just a few projects. So depending on your needs, you can pick a subscription based on your requirements. That way, you'll be able to get fast outputs. So as you can see, our animation is now 100% complete, and it says your video is ready. From here, you can download, or if you want to preview, tap on Open App. After that, you will be redirected to Play Store or App Store, and if you already have it downloaded, the app will open up. And as you can see, we're now in the app. Here, you'll be able to preview the video. So just play it and wait for it to load up. And as you can see, the video is now being played. And if you look on the top right corner, there is a plus icon. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, you'll be able to see some settings for the duration, audiences, and platform, and you can change them from here if you want. So make your desired changes from here, and if you want to see the prompt, just tap on View Prompt on the bottom. And on this section, you can view the prompt and copy it. Now, let's go ahead and tap on Edit. And as you can see, all the chapters are visible on the top. And on the bottom, you have Uploaded Media, Stock Media, Generative Media, and AI Suggested Media. And below, there are more options. And if you look on the top bar, you will see Music. In this section, you will get to see the music that is used here. After that, we have Script. Let's go over to Script, and you will get to see the entire script used on this video. And if you want, you can also change the script according to your preference. So go ahead and make any changes that you desire. And as you can see, there is a sign that says Change Script, which means your new script is being generated and added onto your video. So once it's complete, you will get to see it on the bottom right here. Now, let's go ahead and tap on Edit again. And lastly, we have Settings on the top right corner. So go to Settings and check it out. Here, you will be able to adjust all the settings for your video. So go through them and make any changes you want. On the script section, you can tap on Narrator and then set the narrator settings according to your preference. And if you tap on the plus icon, you will get to see additional options that you can use to customize your video. So this way, go through the options and apply any changes that you make. So once you're done with making all the changes, tap on Save Changes on the bottom right corner. And now the video is ready to be downloaded. Just tap on Download and the video will be downloaded onto your computer. This way, you can use InVideo to create engaging videos. And that is exactly how to create AI video free in mobile.